Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Aji Liang Shop.
Bola lang yan.
So bali guys, ang order ko rito is mini driving light na cheap price lang, mumurahin. So wala siyang blower guys, as in ilaw lang talaga.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
So i-unbox natin guys. So ito yun guys. Two colors siya. White and yellow. So testing natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi.
Paano masabi?
Pero guys, legit to guys kasi ang in-order ko is driving light. So dumating talaga driving light. So titingnan natin guys kung gagana yung driving light. Yung yellow gumagana. Yung white gumagana guys. So nakikita nyo na siguro.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Ayan, white. Yellow. So guys, legit si seller guys. Thank you for watching.